Whether we live in a big house or a small apartment, home improvement is something that we always do. Well, that's because you are repairing the damaged home kits or replacing them with the latest ones. Either way, a set of good and handy tools paves the way with efficiency and better work experience. But the choice of getting the right tools is always confusing, as we are bestowed with numerous tools. To ease your difficulty in today's video, we are going to discuss the 10 best home improvement tools which you can add to your home's tool set. So, without any delay, let's jump right in.
From DIY projects to product reviews and hacks, Tool Zone is where we test all sorts of gear to offer the most unbiased reviews you'll find anywhere, so that you can make well-informed purchase decisions while avoiding getting ripped off.
In the beginning, we have the Makita XDT13Z, a battery-powered brushless impact driver that lets you drive screws or bolts into wooden posts effortlessly. With a lithium-ion battery, it's capable of delivering a maximum of 1,500 inch-pounds of torque, which ensure a longer life and overall efficiency. Additionally, you can change variable speeds up to 3,400 RPM for faceting a wide variety of elements. Being a lightweight driver, you can comfortably use it all day as it comes with a soft rubberized grip. Plus, the built-in dual LEDs light up in the dark workplace where you are working on. Use the one-touch hex chuck if you need a quick bid change. Also, the start technology ensures protection against overheating, overloading, and even harsh job site conditions. So, the Makita XDT13Z does your fastening work smoother and efficiently while ensuring advanced safety measures. Next on the list, we have the Little Giant 1031 0BA, a stepladder that is compact and capable of carrying a high load capacity. It's built with lightweight aluminum that has wide and slip-resistant steps to ensure stability and comfort. Also, each step is capable of holding up to 300 pounds of weight. Being pretty simple to operate, you can easily open or close the ladder with just one hand. Plus, its compact size lets you store it at any place. A full usable tray at the top lets you hold screws, bolts, tools, and other key components related to your work. In addition, the bar acts as a handle to move the ladder with the built-in wheels to your next workplace, making it a great tool to have in your gear list. Next, we have the DEWALT DCW210D1, a battery-powered orbital sander that is both compact and powerful, which enhances a smoother sanding work experience. With the brushless motor, you can control the dial speed from 8,000 OPM to 1,200 OPM to get optimal sanding on the materials you are working on. Plus, the 20-volt max battery ensures higher runtime and power to do the job efficiently. In addition, the low-profile body ensures precise sanding by getting close to the work surface, while the rubberized grip gives you a comfortable handling experience. The dust port is compatible with the included dust collector or any third-party one for added convenience. Besides, you can easily change the sanding pads as it comes with the replaceable 8-hole hook and loop pad. Overall, the DEWALT DCW210D1 easily makes your sanding work smoother and efficient. Replace your conventional hammer and bring in the CRAFTSMAN CM-HT5-1398, a durable fiberglass hammer that weighs less than other fiberglass hammers. It comes with a protective portion that absorbs shock to prevent overstriking where most fiberglass hammers tend to break. Plus, its overmold grip gives a better handling experience whenever you use it. Weighing at just 1.43 pounds, you can easily carry it without any burden or store it at any convenient place. Also, it offers a curved claw behind the head to pull out nails in case you put it in the wrong place or the nail bent during hammering, making it a must-have tool in your toolbox. Now we have the WEN 61721, a brad nailer that is powerful and packed with a lot of features that makes your user experience convenient. With the pressure range from 60 to 115 psi, you can choose the perfect power to push any nail. It offers a spacious magazine that can hold up to 106 brad nails from 3 to 8 inches to 2 inches long. In addition, the hassle-free nose latch lets you remove jammed nails easily. Besides, it features a 1x4-inch NPT air inlet that is compatible with the compressor or air hose. In short, the rubber grip handle and lightweight design make the WEN 61721 a great brad nailer to have in your home. Cutting the wood piece with precision and cleanliness is appreciated by everyone, and for what? We have the BLACK+DECKER BDC CS20C, a cordless circular saw that has a variety of useful features to match your needs. It comes with a 5.5-inch fast-cutting blade to get a variety of cuts. Also, it offers tool-free depth adjustment for precise cutting. You can easily adjust the bevel with detents at 45 degrees or 90 degrees whenever you need. Compatible with the 20V max battery, you don't have to rely on a corded outlet, meaning you can continue your work throughout the day. Moreover, the safety lock on the top stops the blade from starting all of a sudden from an accidental touch on the button. All in all, the BLACK+DECKER BDC CS20C is a compact yet powerful cordless circular saw that makes wood cutting smoother and precise. Introducing the IRWIN VISE-GRIP 207-8706, an adjustable wrench set that comes in 4 commonly used sizes to tackle any task in your home improvement. This set includes 6, 8, 10, and 12 inches of wrench that are constructed from durable vanadium chrome. The machine jaw on each of them delivers maximum gripping strength when you hold an object. In addition, the Pro Touch grips provide comfort and reduce hand fatigue as well whenever you use them. Each wrench has a built-in holder in the back, which allows you to stick on the wall or anywhere convenient. Overall, this wrench set is machined with 4 useful sizes and machined to deliver maximum strength and durability to meet your work needs. Meet all your grinding and cutting needs at home with the WORKPRO Cordless Angler Grinder, which omits the need for winding cables and greater convenience to move at any place. With the rechargeable 20-volt 4-amp-hour battery and a built-in quick charge system, you will get relentless service throughout the day. Plus, it offers speed delivery of up to 7,500 RPM, which lets you finish the work quickly. The rubberized handle can be positioned in 3 different places, and anti-slip and anti-vibration features deliver optimum comfort and control whenever you use it. Its middle switch construction adds more convenience to use with both hands, while the compact and lightweight frame can be used for an extended time without hurting your body. In short, the WORKPRO Cordless Angle Grinder can effortlessly match your grinding and cutting needs every time you use it. Introducing the CHANNELLOCK 440 tongue and groove pliers, which is made of steel and designed with undercut channels to ensure a stronger and secure grip whenever you are tightening or loosening the bolt. It comes with 90-degree laser-hardened teeth in both jaws that grip any bolt tightly. Plus, its undercut tongue and groove ensure the channels will not slip. With the CHANNELLOCK Groove Comfort grips, you will get comfortable handling no matter how much pressure you are putting through. In addition, the PermaLock fastener increases joint strength while ensuring that nuts and bolts won't fail. Overall, the CHANNELLOCK 440 tongue and groove pliers are durable and lightweight to hold objects for stabilization, fastening, and much more. And last but not least, we have the Porter Cable PCCK 647LB that comes with a built-in battery to handle complex jobs easily. With its brushless motor, it delivers speeds up to 2,700 RPM along with 1,400 inch-pounds of torque for handling large fastening applications. Plus, the 20-volt battery delivers 50% more runtime, hence you can carry out your entire drilling task with just a single charge. Moreover, it offers a 1x4-inch quick hex that allows you to change bits easily using only one hand. Ultimately, this is the perfect choice for getting a smooth and powerful yet relentless drilling service whenever you need it. So, that was our list of the top 10 best home improvement tools just for you.
Thanks for watching. We always crave to learn more. If you think we missed a product or should add it, we would love to know.
Like, comment, and share with your friends if you found this video helpful. Subscribe to our channel if you want more videos like this one on your feed.